Hello. Hello. Hello, guys. Hello. Let me know if you can hear me loud and clear in the chat. Okay, guys. My name is Sabir and I am from Pakistan. I am a trader. Maybe you can call a day trader or a swing trader. Most of trades I take are based on a swing trades. This is a simple setup. I use a fractal structure and a swing structure. Okay, so currently I had a short position in a silver, and you can see it's more than a 1 is to 5, but I stopped out at 1 is to 2 because my TP was at that position. Let me clean the chart for all of you guys. I will do a stream every single day, every single morning, where you will find every pair analysis on a daily basis. Okay, so this is a 15-minute. Let me check out on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, guys, this was my analysis on a silver pair. Okay, main thing is this: the here I have a swing high, here I have a swing low. Okay, so this is our swing high, this is our ace low, and inside of that swing low now we have a breakout structure to the downside. Okay, means that now we have turned our swing structure bearish. This is our now swing high, and this here is a break of change of character, sorry, change of character. Okay, because this impulse up, push down, push up, and if we break the low, it means that this is a change of character. Okay, so we are now in a change of character to the downside, and when we are in a change of character we look for a short positions after getting a strong confirmation. Okay, so for me no shorts are on a table because we are bearish. Our string checker is bearish. This was a supply zone which had been in a control, so we look for a fresh area of supply zones which are not in a control. Okay, first of all, for me there is no concept of trend line. Okay, I don't like trend lines, and I also don't trade trend lines. Make sure to leave a like on a stream, everybody. Thank you. If you like my stream, this will really appreciates me. Okay, guys, here our swing structure is bearish for now, and I am looking only for a short position when I turn on a 1 hour, because my analysis is based on first I analyze what the daily market is doing, then I go on a 4 hour, then a 1 hour, and so everything is working in alignment. Okay, so daily time frame, 4 hour, 1 hour, everything is in a line, and then I take trade which will give me 100% confirmation. So what we can here see, here we have a trend line created for a retail traders. Okay, so for me there is target 1 right here, target 2 right here, and this, when we tap on a trend line, we saw an initial reaction to the upside, but then we move in towards downside, liquidated the trend line, right? This, okay, you can very clearly see that we have liquidated the trend line on is a 1 hour time frame. Also not liquidated trend line, but we have a strong supply zone which is not only located on a 4 hour but also is on a 1 hour time frame. So from 1 hour to 15 minutes, I zoom out what the market is going for now. Okay, so you can very clearly see that this is the buy up before a sell down, which is in control. Now we have another buy up before a sell down, which is again in control. So we are currently looking for a short position, but before we go in for a short position, we need a liquidity point. Liquidity point I define like this: impulse down, a little bump in a road, and then down. So for me this here is a liquidity point. I need market to take this high first and then look for another short position. So for me this supply zone over here is not so strong because there is no liquidity in this zone. Okay, so when there is no liquidity, what it does mean that the supply zone itself got liquidated and then we push down. Okay, so this is what I am currently looking for. My position will be like this one over here, stop loss above this sell buy before a sell down, and targeting a new lower low. Okay, so this is my analysis or XAG on a silver. Let's get into gold, what the gold is going on for now. Okay, we just hit our TP. You can see 2 trades I took and I hit my TP, they hit my TP. Okay guys, what is going on major time? Let me clear the chart for all of you guys. Sorry for delay. So on a weekly time frame, we can very clearly see that we have a very bullish market. Okay, so when market is bullish, we see a push up, push down, push up, push down, and push up, and now we can look for another retracement and then for ready for push up again. So for me, no long still on a table. Okay, so waiting for market to make a correction and may deep in towards, maybe you can say that in towards a discount tool. Okay, discount tool is a favorite retracement setting area below the 0.5 area. Okay, the area below 0.5 level is called a discount level. Also we on this discount level we have a liquidity bump right here, you can see, and I can explain for you guys. This is like this: push up, push down, push up, push down, and then push up. So I want to take this low and then look for another long position. This is my currently analysis on a gold. Okay, not long now, waiting for this low to get liquidated and then for another long position, but before that position it is preferred to that demand zone should be created. You can very clearly see on a daily time frame we have this as an impulsive phase, and now we can look for a correction phase. Okay, correction is like this one. Okay, retrace back in toward this 0.5 February and then for another long position. Let's dive into our 4 hour. I know that a lot of you guys waiting for to take trades for now. let me check if any trade available for now. Okay, okay guys, there, here we have fractal high break on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this was our fractal low. Fractal low is still protected, and we are currently reacting to a 4-hour demand zone, which is like this one over here. Okay, which already we tapped and liquidated the early buyers right here, and now maybe a long position, but we need some more confirmation, like going on a 1-hour time frame. Let's see what the 1 hour is going to do. Okay guys, so I can see that this imbalance candle here is acting like a demand and pushing the market to the upside. Once we liquidated this low over here, okay, you can very clearly see that push up, push down, push up, liquidated, initial reaction, then looking for another push up guys. So if you want to take any position for now, let's dive into a 15-minute time frame. For me, this is currently your a 15-minute demand zone. Wait for the market to retrace at least into that demand zone, then go for a long position. Okay, before, I don't want my friends to lose any single trade. Okay, so this will be my target is very same, that these equal highs is my target. Okay, so every single time you want to trade, you should have need to target at least liquidity point or a high, swing high or a swing low, at least on a 1 hour or in 4-hour time frame. Okay, so this was analysis on a gold. Let's dive into EURGBP. This is my current setup. I'm waiting for at least this low to get liquidated. We are in a demand zone, but this demand zone is not much powerful. Why? Because there is no liquidity. Push up, push down, correction, push down, liquidate, and then boom, push up. Okay, so I am waiting for this low to get liquidated, and then I will be expecting more upside continuation as long as this low over here holds. If this low holds, I can look for a long position in EURGBP. Okay guys, let's USD CHF, very clean price action guys. We hit our TP. Let me clean the chart for all of you guys. Let me check a bit. I can explain every single trade for all of you guys. Let's dive first into our daily time frame. Okay, so these are my confluences that I use. Let me clear everything so you don't find any difficulty in understanding. Okay, so on a daily time frame, what I had this, no, this over here. Okay, sorry for a call, that was mistake. Okay, so this is our swing low, this was our a swing high, and this is a daily time frame. Okay, so on a swing structure we were bullish. Okay, we were bullish, but when I see on a 4-hour, what we see that this is our swing high, which is got broken. Now this is our a swing low, this should be our swing high. The most recent high is called a swing high or a fractal high. Okay, here we have another fractal break, then we have another fractal break to the downside, which is this, and once that low is break, I am confirmed that we are going in towards downside, we are ready to push market down a little bit lower. So at this time, this buy up before it sell down. This is my liquidity. No, sorry, this was my supply zone. Okay, supply zone number 1, and this over here was a supply zone number 2. Sorry guys, wait. Okay, sorry for interruption guys. What we did right here guys, this, okay, let me explain. Okay guys, market push down, retracement, push down, and this is order flow. Okay, sell side order flow, to the downside is holding inside of this demand zone right over here, which is here. Inside of this demand zone, we can very clearly see that this over here is a liquidity point. Once we grab that liquidity, we seen a reversal, v-shaped reversing towards the lows, then we saw a push up and then push down. Okay, this was a 4 hour. Now on a 1 hour time frame, we can very clearly see that we have created a trend line right here, which I targeted personally. Okay, but we cannot target trend line without any confirmation. Okay, we liquidated this little bump in a road. You can very clearly see push down, push up, push down, liquidate, and then boom, reversal in towards the downside. Okay, so once we liquidated this high, this little bump, we seen a v-shaped reversal in towards the downside, then going into lower time frame on a 15-minute, what I saw right here. Okay, so this was my high and this was my low. Here what I got, a low break. Okay guys, here I have low break. Now I am sure, I am confirmed that the market is ready to push down. Okay, so this buy up before a sell down is my supply zone on a 15-minute, looking for a short position, and this was my setup. Stop loss above this high over here and targeting the trend line. Okay, you can very clearly see how beautiful that trade was. Okay, so 1:4 risk reward. Okay, so this was trade on USD CHF. What we can see that we had break this swing low. Okay, now we want to see a retracement, then looking for another push towards the downside, but we are now clear that market is ready to push down. This was my analysis on a USD CHF. Okay, we have a lot equal ascending lows here. We have this, wait, check out on a 1 hour time frame. Okay, we have this over here as a supply zone, fresh area of supply, which is currently untouched, not tapped in towards that supply zone, waiting for market to push in towards upside like this, and then boom. Oh, sorry, push like this, liquidated these ascending highs, push down, create order flow, and then go for a short position. Okay, so this was analysis on USD CHF. Let's get into a dollar index. Let's see what the dollar index is going to do. Okay, Okay guys, we can see that dollar index is pushing in towards the downside. Let's get into for a daily time frame first. Okay, these everything that I note here is a real time. I prepare market before move it moves. Okay guys, on a daily time frame we can very clearly see that mm, here I have what, here I have a breakout structure to the downside. Okay, again here I have a breakout structure creating this area as a supply zone, which is currently in control and pushing the market downside, at least where, at least in towards this liquidity low. Okay, this point target number 1 and then target number 2, we can go for a short position once we liquidated these lows. Okay, on a 4-hour time frame we want to see some confirmations. Okay, now this is our swing low and this is our swing high. Market is currently pushing up higher on a fractal structure, waiting for at least this low break, then liquidate the high and then go for a short position. Okay, before that no short position if without any confirmation. Going into silver, yes I have explained silver. Okay, going to USD CAD, you can very clearly see these are the examples of trading I take personally. Okay, this is USD CAD. Okay guys, very clean, 1:3, 1:4 approximately guys. So let me clear everything for you guys so you can know it. Okay, so on a daily time frame what I can see that this overall this candle is a supply zone. Okay, where we was, okay, this was a our daily supply zone, and from that supply zone I was looking for a potential short position, but what happened, we did not tap into the supply zone. Instead we got a short position from this point. Okay, let's see what clear on a 4-hour time frame. When we go on a 4-hour time frame we can see that these two imbalanced candles. Okay, these two imbalanced candles are now reacting are our supply zones, and market is moving a little bit messy, like a very slow movement I have seen in USD CAD. Okay, this is a liquidity point for me. as you can know that push down, a little bump in a road, and then push towards the downside. So this is my liquidity point. I am very happy to see push up in towards that supply zone, then for another push towards a downside. But we cannot wait so much time, as every trader single knows. Okay, so what I have these ascending highs right over here. Okay, you can very clearly see these ascending highs, and let's move in towards 1 hour time frame and see what the 1 hour time frame was doing. Okay, we have here low break, again we have here low break, again what we have here a high break, like this is our high, this is our, we have high break. Okay, again we have low break, and this is our high. Here we have again what, again high break, and created a fresh area of demand right there, and I took a long position right from this area, stop loss underneath the lows, targeting this high over here, and I took that trade like this one. Okay, so let's see what the market is going to do for now. Any trade that we can take sorry, currently we are ranging, this is our a fresh area of demand on a 1 hour time frame. This is USD CAD. Okay, right above this we have this liquidity point. I can say that push towards the downside, liquidate the range low, or you can say that trap the early buyers and then go for a long position. This is my potential setup for which I am waiting, guys. Hold कर यार, sorry for interruption, guys. So we were on liquidity, yes. So I want to see push towards downside in towards that 1 hour demand zone, which is very fresh and still untouched. Okay, so let's go into 15-minute time frame. On a 15-minute, I can see that here we have fractal low break, this imbalance candle here is acting as a demand zone, supply zone, sorry, pushing market down. You had take this position. Okay, pushing market down lower a little bit to liquidate these and then go for a initial reaction in towards the upside, guys. So this was analysis on USD CAD. Okay, let's go in towards USD CHF, guys. I think I had explained earlier. Okay, EUR USD, let's see what the EUR USD is going to do for now. Okay, on let's go in a daily time frame, guys. Let me check if the stream is going well or not, guys. Okay. Okay, you can very clearly see that daily is extremely bullish, and we are now looking for a push in towards the upside, liquidate these ascending highs, and then go for a short position. Also, we can see that we have very overextended move in towards the downside right here. Push down, push up, push down, push up, push down, and now I want to see to liquidate this a little bump. You can very clearly see that this over here, this could be or a liquidity point on a daily time frame, but maybe like a very long position a swing trade. Okay, so we, if anybody cannot hold any long position like this, you can target these points over here, like these ascending highs, also this high over here. As I am in a position for now, let's go in a 4 hour time frame. What were the my confluences that make me ready to go for a long position right from here? Okay guys, this was my 4 hour. Yeah, what the fuck. Okay, this was my high and this was my low. We were located in a bullish mark. We can see that daily is bullish, weekly fractal structure is bullish, and 4 hour structure is also bullish. And I get into a 1 hour time frame. What I saw, 1 hour fractal high break again, guys. We have a fractal high break. So that was my position right here. I got early. If you anybody want to get in trade for now, you can take trade the like this over here, this fresh area of demand created, and long position from here, stop loss underneath the low, targeting this high over here. Okay, so this is clean 1:3 risk reward. You can see. Let's get into GBP USD. Make sure to leave a like on video, guys, as it always appreciates me, guys. Okay. You can see this trade hit my stop loss. Okay guys, I am stopped out in this trade. Let's see why I had stopped. Okay, swing structure is bullish. This is swing high and this is swing low. You can see swing high and here we have swing low. Okay, so inside, push down, push up, push down, push up. What does this means? That we liquidated early buyers. Okay, got out means we stopped out early buyers who entered into the market looking for long position but I personally took a long position a little bit earlier. Okay, this over here is a 4 hour demand zone. Okay, I had been in a long position. Once we tap in towards this liquidated range low, push up, and I got in, but seen a push down, push up, breaking market structure, push down, and then we can see that we could potentially create a demand chain for now. Okay, so on a 1 hour time frame what I had seen a 1 hour demand zone right over here. I took a long position like this, stop loss just below the low, target this, but I got stopped out. One trade is still running in a profit. You can see for me this demand zone got failed. Now we have created a fresh area of demand like this over here. This imbalance candle is acting now for as a demand zone, but we can use a fib retracement tool. So this over here is our discount tool. discount level. If you want to take trade, we have this as a, what you can see that this is a little bump in a road. Let's see, push down, push up, push down, push up. Now I want to liquidate this low over here, means this over here. Okay, okay guys. Looking for USD JPY. I am in a short position for now, going out very clean, and we can see that we created a trend line for a retail traders. As you know that we don't want to trade with retail traders, we want to trade against retail traders. So what I had seen that this over here is a 1 hour supply zone. Also we have this as a supply zone. When we tap in towards this supply zone, push towards the down, and then created a fresh area of demand right over here, and I got into in this position, stop loss above this high, targeting this low over here, and trade is going very beautiful guys. You can see it on a live. So I think it's enough for today. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let's wait for this to hit our TP, guys. This lower here is my TP point. Okay guys, pushing down very clearly guys. Hope it touched to our TP. Make sure to like and share my stream guys as soon as possible. Let's get into a 15-minute time and we'll see what's going on. Okay guys, one more push towards the downside and then we hit our TP. This is a live stream and a trade over a live stream. I think it may take time. Okay, thanks for choosing in. Make sure to leave a like and a subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.